Welcome guys to new video of series called Personal Finance. Today we are going to discuss the 50-30-20 budget rule. Ever wonder where all your money goes every month? You earn, you spend and suddenly it's all gone. Let's fix that with simple rule, the 50-30-20 budget rule. This budgeting rule helps you divide your income into three clear categories based on needs, wants, and savings. Such as paying rent for your house is your need, saving for your future, and wants is very variable, like you want to have a vacation or cup of coffee. Start with the essentials. Your needs, these are the must have you can't live without. They should take up about 50% of your income. If your needs go above 50%, it is a sign to cut back or find ways to reduce cost. Next comes your wants, the things you enjoy but can live without. This should be around 30% of your budget. It's okay to have fun, just don't let your wants take over your wallet. Wants can be your purchasing a cinema ticket or by doing shopping or updating your mobile phone or going to vacation. Finally, savings. This is your future money. Save at least 20% of your income for emergencies, goals, and investments. Remember, if you save today, then you will have a good and safe tomorrow. Let's understand this 50-30-20 budgeting rule with an example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. That means $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings. And that's it. The 50-30-20 rule, a simple way to take control of your money and start building your financial future. Start today, your wallet will thank you later. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.